This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: virtualization enabled, a Windows ISO, and enough RAM. Once confirmed, open VirtualBox or VMware and create a new VM. Select Windows 10/11, 64-bit, and assign 4 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores. Make a 30 GB dynamically allocated disk so you save host space. Choose NAT networking for internet access. This simplifies Roblox downloads. Start the VM installer and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure once Windows is installed, you must optimize the environment. Install guest editions or VMware tools to get proper resolution and seamless mouse capture. Next, update Windows and install the latest GPU drivers. Roblox relies on DirectX features, so enable DirectX 11 or higher. Configure power settings to high performance and turn off unnecessary visual effects to boost frame rate. Install redistributables if prompted. Also, create a local user for playing. This isolates Roblox and makes snapshots safer once you test the game. You now install Roblox. Use the Microsoft Store or the official installer inside the VM, then run a short account sign-in. Make sure VM3D acceleration is enabled and increase video memory to the maximum supported. This fixes most rendering issues. Once you confirm Roblox runs, take a snapshot so you can revert quickly. If the game crashes, check RAM first, enable nested paging in VM settings, and reinstall GPU drivers. These steps usually resolve performance and stability problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.